Across India, people use rickshaws, taxis, bus, flight, train, etc. to travel. These days, many even use boats to commute to work. There are many types of transport vehicles. Now, here is something new. Now, India is planning to start air taxis. Yes, air taxis. This plan is already underway. It is very surprising. Indigo Airlines parent company, InterGlobe Enterprises MD Rahul Bhatia plans to launch an all-electric air taxi service in India. Whoa, that's so cool! Bhatia and Archer Aviation CCO Nikhil Goel have partnered to make the air taxis. The initiative will help reduce traffic. You simply pay for the ride and leave once you reach. An MOU was signed and they got into an agreement with Archer Aviation. Air taxis will launch from 2026. It's going to take time to set up the infrastructure. Once it is ready and tested, they will launch. InterGlobe Enterprises MD Rahul Bhatia said that we are sure that this will be very popular and liked by all. This is because Indigo has been offering cheap, affordable air travel to Indians. And we are planning to make air taxis affordable too. Hence, it will surely become popular. The company is going to purchase 200 such aircrafts. The project will cost rupees 8,000 crore. Bhatia also said that the company will create spaces for landing and takeoff. For example, there are international airports, helipads, etc. for takeoff and landing. The same will be created for air taxis as well. It will be set up in urban areas that suffer from traffic jams to help citizens travel faster. Now, isn't that amazing? These aircrafts will be electric. These air taxis will be slightly similar to helicopters. They're going to be vertical takeoff and landing aircrafts. It is capable of covering up to 150 kilometers between one takeoff and landing. It is designed for rapid back-to-back flights and has a low recharge time. The electric air taxi operations are planned to start in Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Delhi from 2026. Did you know that air taxis are operational in the US? In India, it is still being planned. Now, here is something surprising. These aircrafts are called eVTOLs, and the Midnight eVTOL is not operational in the US. It is expected to start commercial operations in the US in 2025. In India, it will start in 2026. This is so exciting. Rahul Bhatia said that vehicles cause traffic jams, consume a lot of petrol, wastage of time, air pollution, etc. These air taxis will prevent air pollution and reduce travel time. The aircraft will seat 4 people, 3 passengers and a pilot. The aircrafts are being constructed and the crew will be trained as well in different centers. The pilots will be trained as well. In Delhi, Connaught Place to Gurugram is around 27 kilometers. Traveling takes around an hour to an hour and a half. The air taxi will take you from Connaught Place to Gurugram within 7 minutes. Bhatia said that this will save so much time and it is very affordable as well. Very surprising. We will have to wait for 2026.